If you want to increase your spending limit on Instagram ads, here's a full step-by-step process. First, launch your Instagram, then navigate to the profile page. Now click on three bars given at the top right. Once you're over here, scroll down and head over to the section for professionals. Under that, you're gonna find the option Creator Tools and Controls. Click on that. Now click on the option Add Payments. Now tap on your current payment method. If your professional account is fully verified, you may see an option calling spending limit, where you can directly request an increase. If you don't see the option, don't worry. Scroll down and tap Get Payment Support. From there, choose Payment, then select something else and tap Contact Us. At this point, take a screenshot showing that the spending limit option is missing. Upload it in the support form and clearly explain that you want to increase your Instagram ad spending limit. Make sure to mention the exact amount you want your limit increased to. Submit the request and Instagram support team will review it. Once approved, your ad spending limit will be extended, allowing you to run higher budget campaigns smoothly. And that's it. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.